Hello student. Today we are going to discuss about the latest MPC meeting that was held in April 7 to 9, 2025. So first point we have here repo rate that was cut by 25 basic point to 6.00%. It's the second lowest cut in the recent time, and it is also second cut in a row. So all of we know that in the February 2025, the new RBI governor that time, Sanjay Malhotra, reduction and the repo point from 6.5 to 6.25%, and because of some economic condition also the CRR ratio and the other parameters are very much indeed to change. Stance, we have here neutral stance also, gives some neutral stance means it's RBI is open for growth and inflation both. The MPC maintained the neutral stance because to provide flexibility to respond to evolving economic conditions while balancing inflation and growth objectives. Done. GDP growth. We are seeing in the previous year that India's GDP growth was little bit decreased. We have seen in the 6.5, also in the July to September or 2025 quarter 5.4. It's the lowest since the COVID-19. So RBI retained the GDP for FY25 at 6.6%. RBI is optimistic but cautious because of the revolving geopolitics and the economic condition of India. Inflation forecast, the consumer price index inflation projection for FY25 was raised to 4.3 to 4.8 from 4.5%, with quarter 3 in FY25 forecasted and 5.7. Yeah, we have suffered in that quarter a lot, and also quarter 4 at 4.5%. And this adjustment reflects concern over persistent food inflation despite recent decline to 4.3 in FY 2025. Yeah. Next one, digital banking. So RBI recently launched the bank.in domain for Indian banks, basically public sector banks, to enhance the cyber security and combat digital fraud, aiming to boost trust in digital banking service. We have the liquidity strands, and that's the added up to 4 trillion to support the economy. That's the RBI emphasized nimble and the flexible liquidity management with recent action include a liquidity infusion up to 4 trillion to shield the economy from global risks. This follow a 1.5 lakh core liquidity support and a 50 basic points cash reserve ratio CRR cut up to 4%. Yeah, that's the cut to CRR up to 4% context. We've seen the global and the domestic context. Indian economy is strong, but watching global risks and trade, we have to be cautious. Yeah, there is a mnemonic for all of you. It's basically one liner point for all of you to remember. In April 2025 monetary policy committee meeting, it says the 6% repo neutral stand, 6.6% growth, 4.8% inflation, 4 trillion liquidity, bank dot insecurity. In that one line, you have everything to use in your exam, everything that you need in your exam. Yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you. Bye bye.